fractions and decimals. First, we should know about the fractions. So, what do you mean by fraction? Fraction is the representation of a part from the whole thing. Okay. So, if I take here one pizza, okay, in that pizza I make 4 parts. In that 4 parts, I will eat 1 part. Okay, out of 4 parts, I am eating only 1 part. It means 1 by 4. It means out of 4 parts, I am taking here 1 part. So the whatever I add, okay, so that part is represented by 1 by 4. So this is our fraction. Okay, in this fraction, we will get here first thing, proper fraction. Proper fraction. What is proper fraction? What is proper fraction? If here denominator is bigger than the numerator, so it is numerator, and here the below number is denominator. Whenever you will getting the denominator is bigger than the numerator, then we can say it as a proper fraction. For example, you can take 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 8 by 9. So like that you can take the, see here the denominators are bigger than the numerators. Next thing is improper. Improper fractions. Okay, so when we get the improper fractions? When our numerator is bigger than denominator. So let's take example 5 by 2. So here numerator is bigger and denominator is smaller. So this thing we can call it as improper fractions. Next we will get here mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Okay, so what is mixed fraction? So mixed fraction is nothing but our improper, means conversion of the improper. How? See here 5 by 2 is there. Okay, so if you divide 5 by 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. So how many whole parts are there here? 2 are whole parts. So if I write it as 2 whole, remainder is how much? 1. That is 1 by 2. So how to read this one? 2 whole 1 by 2, or else 2 integer 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the representation of the improper fraction in the mixed fraction. So like that you can give 2 more examples. 3 integer 1 by 4, 4 integer 6 by 9. Okay, so one thing here, I wrote 6 by 9. Is it possible to convert it into simpler? Yes. See here, 3 2s are 3 3s are. So you can write it as 4 integer 2 by 3 also. Next concept about equivalent fractions. So you may ask to write equivalent fractions of a given fraction. So here I am taking 2 by 7. How to write the equivalent fractions? See here 2 by 7 is there. What you have to do? You have to multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. Then you will get the equivalent. So let's start with 2. So I will write 2 by 2. I will multiply with denominator and numerator by 2 by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 7 2s are 14. So 4 by 14 is equivalent to 2 by 7. If you want to recheck it, just you divide it by 2 by 2. How you multiply here? Like that. Here you have to divide it by 2 by 2. Again you will get the 2 by 7. This is one equivalent. Like that. So you can write 2 more equivalents. So I will multiply this by 3 by 3. So 2 3s are 6, 7 3s are 21. So like that you can continue with another one number, any number you can take. So let's take here 5. by 5. So 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. So these three are equivalent fractions to which fraction? 2 by 7. Okay, so like that we have to write the equivalent fractions. Now the concept about comparing fractions. Okay, what is the meaning of comparing fractions? Here we have to check which is bigger, which is smaller. Okay, here one example I am taking 2 by 7, 4 by 5 is there. How to check which is bigger, which is smaller? Very simple thing, we have to convert them into like fractions. What do you mean by like fractions? What is this like fraction? So like fractions is nothing but making the denominator same. Here 7 is there, here 5 is there. So how to make it same? Just one thing we have to do, taking the LCM of 7 and 5. So what is the LCM of 7 and 5? How to do? With the long division method. 7 and 5. Okay. So 7 ones are 7 and 5 is not dividing. So keep like that only. So again 5 here ones are already 5 ones are 5. So 7 5s are how much? 7 into 5. Here we are getting 35. So 35 is our LCM. Okay, least common multiplier. So if we get 35 as our LCM, then how to get here 35? So 7, how much is 35? 7, 5 is 35. So here 2 by 7 is there. Multiply this by 5 by 5. So here we will get 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. Then what about this 4 by 5? So here we need 35. 5, how much is 35? 5, 7 is 35. So 4 by 5 into 7 by 7. Okay, 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35. Now we made them into like fractions. Okay, like fractions here 10 by 35 is there, 28 by 35 is there. Now you check it which is bigger. 28 by 35 is bigger. So 28 by 35 is bigger than what? 10 by 35. Okay, so again you write it in the simpler form. So 28 by 35 is what? That is 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is greater than S is greater than 2 by 7. 2 by 7. This is our answer. Now directly going to the exercise. In that, in first main question, we have to solve the calculations. Here the first one, 2 minus 3 by 5. See, the chapter is about fractions, but here we are getting a whole number, that is 2, and here minus 3 by 5. So 2, how to write it in fraction? Here if there is no denominator means the denominator is always 1 for a whole number. So 2 we can write it in the form of fraction, that is 2 by 1. So we can write it 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. Okay, so here 1 is there, here 5 is there. Denominators are different, so we can't subtract these fractions. So for that what we have to do? We have to make it into same denominators. So here 1 is there, here 5 is there. So now we have to take LCM of 1 and 5. So what is the LCM of 1 and 5? The easy method I will tell you here. So always here start with the bigger number, means bigger denominator. This is bigger denominator 5. So start the table of 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 is there in one table, yes, 1 5 is 5. Then automatically 5 is our LCM. So 5 here 1 5 is 5, 5 ones are 5. Okay, so or else directly cross multiplication. 1 will multiply with next number, 5 will multiply with first number. 2 5s are 10 minus 3 1s are 3. What left? 10 minus 3. You get here 7 by 5. Okay, so now it is 7 by 5 improper. So keep it in mixed fraction. So 7 by 5. How will you do? 7 by 5. So 7 divided by 5. Okay, so 5 ones are 5. Here remaining is 2. Okay, remainder is 2. The whole is 1. So 1 integer, remainder you write it in the numerator and the denominator is 5. So 1 integer 2 by 5 is your answer. So now addition. Here 4 is there. 4 plus 7 by 8. So write the 4 as 4 by 1 plus 7 by 8. Okay, here 1 is there, here 8 is there. What you have to do? 1 and 8. The answer will be 8. Okay, 1 8s are 8 1s are 4 8s are 32 minus, sorry, here plus is there, plus 7 1s are 7. So our answer will be 32 plus 7. So it will be how much? 39 by 8. Okay. So how to write it in mixed fraction? Simple thing. Here 4 are whole numbers. Plus 7 by 8 is improper. So simple thing. 4 integer 7 by 8. Okay, because you are adding 4 whole terms with one fraction. So that is nothing but your 4 integer 7 by 8. Still if you have the confusion, just go with the division. Okay, here 39 is there by 8. Okay, so in 8 table, which is the near number 39? 8 4s are 32. So if you make the subtraction, you get remainder 7. Where to write the remainder? In the numerator. So 7 by 8 for what? 4 integer. 4 integer 7 by 8 is our answer. Now 5th question and 6th question. The 3rd and 4th for your practice. Try to do yourself and cross check the answer which I given at end of the video with the sliding. Okay, so you have to first do yourself and check the answer at the end. Okay, now 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Okay, here they given 3 fractions. So here first you can add any 2 fractions, afterwards third one, or else directly you can go to the all 3 additions directly. How? See here, denominator is here 10, here denominator is 5, here denominator is 2. So now you have to take the LCM of all 3 numbers. 10, which is the bigger number? 10. So first you start the table of 10. 10 ones are 10. So 10 is there in the 5 table? Yes. 5 2 is there and 2 5 is there. So it means 10 is our LCM. Easily you can get it by using the tables. So 10 is our LCM. So here 10. Okay. So 10, how much are 10? 10 ones are 10. 5, how much are 10? 5 2s are 10. So here multiply with 2. 2, how much are 10? 2 5s are 10. Okay. So 7 ones are 7 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 3 5s are 15. Okay. If you add all 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 15, you will get here 26 divided by 10. Okay, so now is it possible to divide these two? Yeah, 10 2s are 20. What is remaining? 6 is remaining. So 6 by 10. So further we can simplify this. How? 6 by 10. In which table you will get? In 2 table. 2 3s are 2 5s are. So your answer will be 2 integer 3 by 5. Okay, so whenever if there is a possibility of the dividing numerator and denominator with the same number, then we can proceed and divide them and make them into simpler form. So here we got 2 integer 3 by 5. Next here in the sixth problem they given mixed fraction. So here directly first you have to convert them into improper fraction. Afterwards you can add them. Okay, here how to make improper? Simple thing. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8 divided by 3 plus again 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 that is 7 by 2. Here denominators are different. So what you have to do? So you have to do LCM of 3 and 2. What is the LCM of 3 and 2? How to do? Again start with the bigger table. Which is that bigger? 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 is there in 2 table? No. 3 2s are 6. 6 is there in 2 table? Yes. 2 3s are. So our LCM will be 6. So 3 how much are 6? 3 2s are. So here multiply that 2s are with numerator. So it will be 8 2s are. So here 2 how much is 6? 2 3s are. So you multiply that 3 with the numerator of 7. So then 8 2s are 16 plus 7 3s are 21. So if we add these two, see here 6 plus 1 7, 1 plus 2 3, 37 by 6. So how to make it into mixed? Because our question is mixed fraction. So now here you also do it as mixed fraction. 6 is 36. So 6 is 36. So here 37 is there. Remainder is 1. So 1 by 6. So see here I am directly making them into mixed fraction. If you having the doubt, just you go through long division method. So here 37 is divided by 6. So 6, which is nearest number in 6 table, that is 6 is 36. So 37 minus 36 you will get here 1. So remainder is 1. So I wrote it in numerator 1 by 6. So the whole things are 6. So 6 whole 1 by 6 or else 6 integer 1 by 6 is your answer. Now 720 is also for your practice. Try to do yourself and check the answer at the end of video. Now in the second main question, here they given 3 fractions. Those 3 fractions we have to write in the form of descending order. Okay, first one is 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. How to write them in descending order? For that what you have to do? You have to make them into like fractions. How? Making the denominator same. So to making the denominator same, what you have to do? You have to take the LCM of all 3 denominators. So let's see. 9 is there, 3, 21. Okay. So try to do it with long division method. So first start with 3. 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 7s are 3 7s are 21. Again 3 1s are. Okay, 1 is there already, keep like that only. So 7 is not divisible, so keep like that only. Now start with 7. 7 1s are. So here already 1 is there, 7 1s are 7. Okay, so now 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are how much? 9 7s are 63. So 3 into 3 into 7, that is 63. Okay. Now you gone with long division method. In shortcut, how to do? 21 is there. So start the table of 21. 21 ones are 21. So 21 is not there in 9 table, but is there in 3 table. Now 21 3s are 63. 63 is there in 9 table. 9 7s are. So in 3 table, yes, obviously 63 is divisible by 3. Okay, so we can easily say that 63 is our LCM. So here, how to take this as 63? We have to multiply with 7 by 7. So 2 by 9 into 7 by 7. We will get here 7 2s are 14, 9 7s are 63. How to take 3 as 63? So divide 63. 63 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 2s are 3 1s are. So it means we have to multiply this fraction with 21 by 21. Okay, 2 by 3 into 21 by 21. 21 2s are 42. 21 3s are 63. Now already it is 21. So 21, how much is 63? 21 3 is 63. So that thing you have to multiply with 3 by 3. So 8 3s are 24, 21 3s are 63. Now you check it in descending order. What you have to do? First you have to write the bigger one. Which is bigger here? 42 by 63. So first you write it. 42 by 63. After that, smaller one. Which is that? 24 by 63. Next, which one is there? 14 by 63. Okay. So now you write them in simpler form. What is 42 by 63? That is 2 by 3. Okay. So write here 2 by 3. Next, 24 by 63, which is that? 8 by 21. 8 by 21. Next one, 14 by 63, which is that? 2 by 9. So here, what? 2 by 9. So now you arrange them in descending order. Second problem, that is 1 by 5, 3 by 7, 7 by 10. Now how to write? Again, go with LCM method. So 5, 7, 10. So how to take the LCM one is 3. So go with table 10. So 10, ones are 10. So 10 is there in 5 table, but it is not there in 7 table. Again, 10 2s are 20. 20 is also not there in 7 table. 30, not there in 7. 40 is not there in 7. 50 is not there in 7 table. 60 is not there in 7 table. 70, yes, obviously 70 is there in 7 table. That is 7 10s are and 5 14s are. 7 40 5 14s are. We will get 70. So our LCM becomes 70. The LCM of 5 7 10 is how much? 70. Okay, so 70 for 5. To get 70, what you have to multiply? You have to multiply by the 14. So 1 by 5 into 14 by 14. So 14 ones are 14. 14 5s are 70. Our denominator becomes 70. So now 3 by 7. 3 by 7. How to multiply this? To get 70 here. So you have to multiply with 10 by 10 because 7 10s are 70. So 10 3s are 30 and 10 7s are 70. And what left? 7 by 10. Okay. So 10 how much are 70? 10 7s are. So here multiply this by 7 by 7. So 7 7s are 49 and 10 7s are 70. Okay. So which is bigger now? That is 49 by 70. Next, which is smaller than that? That is 30 by 70. And last one is 14 by 70. So now write them in simpler form. So which we are getting here? That is 49 by 70 means 7 by 10. And 30 by 70 is 3 by 7. And 14 by 70 is 1 by 5. So this is our descending order. Now in third question they given one box. We have to check that the given box is a magic square or not. Okay, in earlier class in the first chapter you did that one, which is the sum of rows and sum of columns and sum of diagonals are same or not, means equal or not. Let's take here first row. Okay, first row 4 by 11, 9 by 11, 2 by 11. Okay, so denominator is same. There is no bother about taking the LCM. What you have to do? Just you have to add the numerators and write the same denominator. Okay, so here if I add 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 2, that is 15 by 11. Okay, don't add denominators. So denominator should be same. Next, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, 15. So the sum of second row is also 15 by 11. Now 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. So here also we got 15 by 11. Okay, rows are over. Now column. The first column 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. So here also we are getting 15 by 11. Next 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. So here we are getting 15 by 11. Next here 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. So 15 by 11. So we are getting the addition of the rows and addition of the columns are same, equal. So now the last thing is you have to check about the diagonals, means corner to corner. Okay, so here 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 4, that is 15. So 15 by 11. Now here this corner 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. So here also we are getting 15 by 11. So in all ways we are getting same answer, that is equal to 15 by 11. So therefore given box is a magic square. Magic square. Understood? In fourth question, they given a rectangular sheet of paper with long, how much long? 12 integer 1 by 2. Means 12 whole 1 by 2. Okay, you can use the word whole or integer, both are same. So next, the width means wide. How much wide is there? That is 10 integer 2 by 3. So what you have to do? You have to find the perimeter of that sheet. Okay, perimeter of rectangular sheet, we have one formula, that is 2 of, means 2 into length plus width. Okay, so here 2 of length. Length means 12 integer 1 by 2 plus width is how much wide? 10 integer 2 by 3. Okay, so these two are in mixed fraction, so try to convert them into improper fraction. So what you have to do? Multiply the denominator with the integer. 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 1, that is 25 by 2 plus here 10 into 3. First you have to multiply with the denominator. 10 into 3, that is 30. 30 plus and the numerator plus 2, so 32. So here 32 by 3. Okay, so 2 is there. Let's write 2 like that only. First you have to clear the things in a bracket. So 25 by 2 is there plus 32 by 3 is there. What to do? The denominator is different. So here 2, here 3. In the LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, because 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6. The 6 is in both table, so it is easy. So take the LCM as 6. 2 how much is 6? 2 3s are 3. How much is 6? 3 2s are. So now 25 3s are 75 plus 32 into 2. So if you know direct debit totals, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay, how much you getting here? 75 plus 64. Calculate them. Already 2 is there. Write 2 like that only. Okay. 75 plus 64. 5 plus 4. 9. And 7 plus 6. That is 30. 139 by 6. Okay, so what you have to do now? Now try to simplify that with 2 into. So 2 1s are 2, 3s are. Divide them. So here 2 1s are 2, 3s are. What is remaining? The remaining is 139 by 3. Okay, so here 139 by 3. So write them into mixed fraction. How to do mixed fraction? Divide that 139 by 3. How to do? 3 4s are 12. So remainder is 1. Okay. So next taking the 9. 6s are will be 18. 3 6s are 18. So 19 minus 18 remainder is 1. So our answer will be 46 integer 1 by 3. Okay, so here I skipped the units. What is the units? Centimeter. They given in centimeter. So don't forget to write the unit. It is centimeter. So here how much centimeter is this? 46 integer 1 by 3 centimeter is our perimeter of the given rectangular sheet of paper. In the fifth question, they have given one figure. Here in that figure, triangle along with rectangle, and also they given the measurement of the sides. So first thing, what you have to do? First you have to find the perimeter of that triangle. What is the perimeter of the triangle formula? That is sum of 3 sides. Okay, here 3 sides are given 5 by 2, 2 of 3 by 4 means 2 integer 3 by 4 and 3 integer 3 by 5. So write down. So 5 by 2 is there. Write it 5 by 2 plus. Next is 2 integer 3 by 4 is there. So what I will do? I will here only convert into improper fraction. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 by 4 plus. Next 3 integer 3 by 5 is there. So convert it into improper. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 that is 18. 18 by 5. So now 5 by 2, 11 by 4, 8 by 5. All are having different denominator. So what you have to do? Take the LCM. So what is the shortcut? Start with 5 table. 5 ones are 5. Is not there in 2 and 4 table. 5 2s are 10. 10 is not there in 4 table. Is there in 2 table. 5 3s are 15. 15 is not there in 2 table and 4 table. 5 4s are 20. 20 is there in 2 table. That is 2 10s are. That is there in 4 table. That is 4 5s are. So our LCM is 20. So 2 how much are 20? 2 10s are. So here multiply with 2 10s are. Next 4 how much are 20? 4 5s are. So multiply with 5. Next 5 how much are 20? 5 4s are 20. So here multiply with 4. Okay. So now 5 10s are 50 plus 11 5s are 55 plus 18 4s are 72. So if you add these 3 0 plus 5 5 5 plus 2 7. Next 5 5 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 7 17 divided by 20. Okay, so here it is you getting improper, so make it into mixed. fraction. So 177. How to divide? Simple thing. 28 are 160. So remainder is 17. So or else if you not understanding, divide it by 20. Okay, 20 it's that is 160. The 177 minus 160 here you will get 17. So it will be a integer 70 by 20. So how much is centimeter in it? So the perimeter of triangle ABE is 8 integer 70 by 20. Knowing that only second question, the perimeter of rectangle, that is BCDE. So our formula is 2 into length plus width. So what is the length? Length is here 2 integer 3 by 4. So write it 2 length. What is the length? Length is 2 integer 3 by 4. To make it improper, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11. So it will be 11 by 11 by how much? 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. 7 by 6. So what is the LCM of 4 and 6? 6 ones are 6. 6 is not there in 4 table. 6 ones are 12. 12 is there in 4 table. That is 4 3s are. So our LCM is 12. So here 2 into it will be 12. 4 how much are 12? 4 3s are. 6 how much are 12? 6 2s are. So 11 3s are 33 plus 7 2s are 14. Okay, so our answer will be 2 into. So bracket means into 33 plus 14. Here we will get 47 by 12. Okay, 2 ones are 2 6 are. So 47 by 6. Okay, 47 by 6. Do the division. What you will get the remainder? Remainder will be 6 7s are 42. Okay, remainder will be 5. So here we will get 6 7s are 42. Remainder is 5 means 40 by 6 centimeter. So the perimeter of rectangle is 7 integer 5 by 6. Okay, here we are getting 8 integers 17 by 20. Here we are getting 7 integer 5 by 6. Which is greater? Simple thing. The whole number, which is whole number is greater? 8 is greater. Okay, so always the 8 is greater than 7. So the greater perimeter is rectangle perimeter. You have to mention that perimeter of triangle is greater than perimeter of rectangle. Understood? In 6th question, Shalini want to put a picture in a frame, but here the frame is smaller than the picture. So how much you have to trim that picture? For that, what you have to do? You have to subtract the measurement of the frame from the picture. So you will get the extra dimension. That much you have to trim it. Means you have to cut it. So first you have to write the picture measurement. How much? 7 integer 3 by 5. So make it into improper. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3, that is 38 by 5 minus how much we have to subtract? That is measurement of the frame. How much? 7 integer 3 by 10. So make it into improper. 10 7s are 70. 70 plus 3, that is 73 by 10. Okay, here 5, here 10. So what is the LCM of 5 and 10? That is 10. Because 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5 2s are 10 and 10 1 2s are. So here 5 2s are 10 and 10 1s are 10. So you will get the same number in both tables. So 5 how much are 10? 5 2s are 10 1s are. So 38 2s are. So or else 2 8s are 16, carry 1, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7 minus 73 ones are 73. So 76 minus 73, you will get here 3 by 10. Okay, so how much you have to trim? The picture should be trimmed by how much centimeter? 3 by 10 centimeter. Okay, so last two problems, try to solve yourself and check the answers which I given in the end of this video. Thank you.